Good morning everyone. Class 11 subject accountancy. Today we will start a chapter 8. Topic is journal entry. Okay. So following entries discussed with example in this series. So point 1, Nitin started business with cash. Point number first, Nitin started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Nitin started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. So entry is cash account debit, cash account debit to capital account, or Nitin capital account to Nitin capital account. Okay. Point number first. Second entry, purchase office furniture in cash 5,000 rupees. Purchased office furniture for cash rupees 5,000. Purchase office furniture for cash rupees 5,000. Okay, so entry is furniture account debit to cash account. Furniture account debit to cash account rupees 5,000. Clear? Next, point number third. Purchase goods in cash rupees 20,000. Purchased goods in cash rupees 20,000. Clear? So entry purchase account debit, purchases account debit to cash account rupees 20,000. Okay. Purchases account debit to cash account rupees 20,000. Clear? Next, purchase goods from Hari and Company. Purchased, point number 4, purchased goods from Hari and Company rupees 1 lakh. Purchased goods from Hari and Company rupees 1 lakh. So entry purchase account debit to Hari and Company account. Purchases account debit to Hari and Company account. Amount is 1 lakh rupees. Clear? Point number 4. Purchase account debit to Hari and Company account rupees 1 lakh. Next, sold goods against cash rupees 20,000. Sold goods against cash rupees 20,000. Sold goods against cash rupees 20,000. Okay, so cash account debit to sales account. Clear? Amount is 20,000 rupees. Cash account debit to sales account. Amount is rupees 20,000. Okay. Point number 6. Sold goods to Ramesh and Company rupees 75,000. Point number 6. Sold goods to Ramesh and Company rupees 50,000. Sold goods to Ramesh and Company rupees 50,000. Okay, so entry Ramesh and Company account debit to sales account. Ramesh and Company account debit to sales account rupees 50,000. Okay. Point number 6. Next point, paid salary to staff in cash. Paid salary to staff in cash rupees 20,000. Paid salary to staff in cash rupees 20,000. So salary account debit to cash account. Salary account debit to cash account rupees 20,000. Clear? Point number 7. Next point, paid electricity bill 2,000 rupees. Paid electricity bill. Point number 8. Paid electricity bill rupees 2,000. Paid electricity bill rupees 2,000. Okay, so electricity expenses, electricity expenses account debit to cash account. Amount is 2,000 rupees. Okay. Point number 8. Last point, purchase stationery cash rupees 250. Purchase stationery for cash rupees 250. So stationery account debit account debit to cash account. Amount is 250 rupees. Okay. So point number 1, Nitin started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Nitin started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. So cash account debit to capital account or cash account debit to Nitin capital account. Clear? Point number 2, Purchase office furniture for cash rupees 5,000. Furniture account debit to cash account 5,000 rupees. Third, purchase goods in cash rupees 20,000. Purchase account debit to cash 20,000 rupees. Clear? Next point, purchase goods from Hari and Company. Purchased goods from Hari and Company rupees 1 lakh. Entry pass. Purchases account debit to Hari and Company account rupees 1 lakh. Next point, sold goods again cash. That means cash sales. So cash account debit to sales account 20,000. Point number 6, sold goods to Ramesh and Company rupees 50,000. So Ramesh and Company account debit to sales account. Next point number 7, paid salary to staff in cash rupees 20,000. So salary account debit to cash account. Salary account debit to cash account rupees 20,000. Paid electricity bill rupees 2,000. Electricity expense account debit to cash account. And last point, purchase stationery for cash 250 rupees. Stationery account debit to cash account. Okay.